Hi everyone, it's Jim Hamill, and every few months here in the Pocono Mountains, the seasons and the scenery changes. That includes right here outside the Visitor Center and train station in Jim Thorpe, also known as the Little Switzerland of America. And it's pretty easy to tell why. Check it out from way up high.
Jim Thorpe is nestled in the Lehigh River Valley, with those white waters carving their way alongside the railroad and D&L Trail. The streets of Jim Thorpe feature the kind of architecture that's straight out of the movies and is nearby to three friendly neighborhoods, Lehighton and Weisport also along the D&L Trail, and Lansford, home to the No. 9 coal mine and museum.
And so no matter if it's spring, summer, or fall, with such warm weather outside here in the Pocono Mountains, you can get outdoors here and have a lot of fun, including on the Pocono Beverage Trail, places like Farley Creek Brewing Company here in Tannersville. This is Pint-Sized Park, where you can swing for the fences.
Farther up the road is Camelback Resort. It features Camel Beach in the summer, Camelback Mountain Adventures too. Then transitions to tubing and skiing come the colder months. Check out Big Pocono State Park and Camelback from the drone's vantage point in summer, compared to winter.
Another one of my favorite pastimes here in the warmer months in the Pocono Mountains is, of course, golf. And we have some of the best golf courses around, including right here, Woodlock Springs. 18 holes of championship golf, and the hardest hole on the course, number 3, a par 5.
From this perspective, you can see the homes woven into the forest at Woodlock Springs. The golf course, too, making for a challenging but rewarding round with fellow golfers. Drone pilot Zane Shupp was cautious taking flight, gaining a healthy respect for the region from a whole different point of view.
Flying drone out here on a golf course, especially one of this elevation and diversity, which Woodlock is known for, is very fun and a little nerve-wracking as well. Coming over this hole, there's a lot of elevation gain and loss, and that is absolutely something you have to consider when you are flying a drone, where that thing is going to exactly go. But like all the other areas around the Poconos, it is beautiful this time of the year. Everything is green and lush and full of surprises around every corner. And on a day like today, when it's in the 70s, it is absolutely beautiful out here.
As we mentioned earlier, the seasons do in fact change here all across the Pocono Mountains, and no better place to view that from than way up high here on Urban Cliff in Honesdale. Way up here you can see the small town of Honesdale, just like many other small towns throughout the area, where all of this green is eventually going to change color and shift through reds, yellows, oranges, vibrant colors of fall for all the eye to see and enjoy.
The Poconos is well known as a destination for fall foliage, especially during midweeks when leaf peepers are more scarce. These are the kinds of views we're used to seeing across the region, around lakes, rivers, mountains, and small towns. In order to give you the best idea of when and where you can experience peak fall foliage, head to poconomountains.com/fall. You'll find our Fall Foliage Forecast, updated weekly, starting the first week of September. And be sure to tag us on social media with @Pocono Tourism and @Pocono TV Network, with those beautiful views of summer and soon fall. This has been Jim Hamill for the Pocono Television Network.